Hi, I'm Florence, and today we're going to look at converting fractions to percentages. We're going to focus on fractions where the denominator is 10 or 100. So really the examples in this video are designed for introducing pupils to the concept. The first thing to remember is that percent is out of 100. That's what it means. And in fact, that's where the percent symbol comes from, and that's why it looks like that. So for that reason, the fractions that are the easiest to convert into percentages are those that are already out of 100, are those that have a denominator that's 100. So 1/100th, you can see it represented visually there, is 1%. (25/100ths), 25 out of a possible 100. Again, we have our visual representation. Is 25%. When the denominator in a fraction is 10, we can convert that into hundredths. And our visual representation again helps us to see that 1 out of 10 equal parts is the same as 10 hundredths. So 1/10 is the same as 10 hundredths. And now that our denominator is 100, we can straight away identify the percentage by looking at our numerator. 10 hundredths is 10%. (4/10ths), similarly, we can see we have 10, 20, 30, 40 out of a possible 100, so we can convert it to 40%. And you might start off by using these visuals, but obviously you want pupils to be able to make those links eventually without having those there to help them. So in this last example, we have a percentage and we need to convert it into a fraction. And that's really simple because if Caleb scored 36%, then as a fraction, we can express that as 36 out of 100 because percent is always out of 100. The question, however, asks us to give the answer in its simplest form. So we can simplify it by dividing both our numerator and denominator by 4. Gives us 9/25ths. Now, as I said, these are kind of more of the basics in terms of converting between fractions and percentages. And if you want to see some more complex examples, then watch our next video, which looks at more complex ways of converting fractions to percentages.